This is the Avantree T40 True Wireless Earbuds for TV listening. It comes with Bluetooth 5.2 earbuds and a transmitter for TV. Introducing the Avantree T40. First, let's take a look at the transmitter. There are two buttons on the front. This is the volume control button. Here are two number buttons. The 1 button is the pairing button for the earbuds, and the 2 button is the pairing button for adding a second device. The second device is limited to the standard SBC Bluetooth codec due to bandwidth constraints. Other codecs will not work. Next to the buttons are the Bluetooth connection indicators, and the row above contains the audio input indicators. The bottom row contains the codec indicators. On the back side of the transmitter are the DC-in power port, the optical and aux audio ports, and the power switch. On the charging case, you will find pair button and the LED indicator for battery level. On the earbuds, you will find function buttons, which you can use to answer and end calls, adjust volume, play and pause, and more. There are LED indicators and 2 microphones on each earbud. First, connect the transmitter to a power source using the USB cable provided. We recommend using the TV's USB port. There are 3 ways to connect the transmitter to your TV: optical, 3.5mm aux, and RCA. Check your TV's audio output port. Which one do you have? Please pick one, only one. If you have an optical out port on your TV, simply connect the transmitter's optical port to your TV using the optical cable we provided. If you decide to go with aux, connect the transmitter to your TV's headphones jack using the auxiliary cable we provided. If you have a TV with red and white audio out ports, please utilize an RCA adapter and an auxiliary cable to connect the transmitter. Insert the cable with the adapter into the aux port on the back and connect the other end to the RCA out ports on your device. Next, open the case. Keep the transmitter and case close together. They'll connect with each other. And the Bluetooth icon on the transmitter next to the 1 button and aptX will turn solid blue. The LED on the earbuds will turn off. For optical connection, set your TV sound out to optical or digital audio out in your TV sound settings. Set audio input and output format to PCM or stereo. If your TV is one of the following brands, and you're having trouble setting the sound format on your TV to PCM, go to the Avantree website where we have detailed steps for each TV brand. For aux, RCA connection, go into your TV sound out settings and make sure headset or external speaker is selected. Now you can hear the TV sound through the earbuds. First, power off the transmitter. Next, open the case to turn on the earbuds. Press and hold the pair button for 3 seconds to enter Bluetooth pairing mode. Next, go to your device's Bluetooth settings. Search for and select Avantree Ace 130 to connect. Now you should be good to go. You can double-click the multi-function button on the left earbud to lower the volume, or on the right to increase it. Click the button once to play or pause. Press and hold for 1 second on the left to go back, or on the right to skip. When receiving a call, click the button once to pick up. You can charge the case using any standard USB port with 5V 1A output via the Type-C charging cable included. The battery LED on the case will flash while charging, and stop flashing once charging is complete. You can buy any accessories that you need on the Avantree website, including charging cables, audio cables, and more. All Avantree products have a 24-month warranty when purchased directly from Avantree.com. If you purchase through other channels such as Amazon, you can extend the warranty to 24 months by registering on our official website. If you think this video is helpful, please give us a like, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell to stay notified on our new product launches. Thanks for watching.